Hi guys, and this video is for again cloud storage and cloud computing. The how much storage is required or how much storage is being provided. This was a video on demand, so we shall dwell deep into each of the service providers which have been discussed, like AWS, Azure, and Google. So the links will be provided in the description box, so don't worry about that. So I'll quickly come to this cloud storage solution for free if you are concerned only with the free offers. So this is for us. So when you log into this amazon.com, so on Google I just typed this free storage AWS provide. The first website is Amazon. When you click it, you will be directed to this, and you just go ahead and see that there are various offers and services which they are providing with different packages, and according to your requirement and your needs you select that package. So it is not a standard, it just varies about with the product and the service you want. Now I'll show you this in further details. So we've got another page here. Here this is the free tier as to understand what all products and services are free. So types of offer. So what happens here is that there are three things they're offering. One is always free. These services will always be free. Another is that there are services which is free for just one year, and another is very short term, which are for they are termed as trials. So they're very popular. Like Sage Maker is on trial basis. So let's see what does this mean. So you've got these product categories. Now, depending on the domain you're working with, like if you're on analytics, if you are application integration, or you are on database or machine learning and AI, you choose that field. So I choose this machine learning, and here I get machine learning free services and storage what AWS Amazon Web Services offer. So they're offering, like you can see, this free trial. This is the free for 1 year, and this what does this provide? This provides you can build your voice and chat bots. So for chatbots, this is like 10,000 text requests per month and 5,000 speech requests per month. So you can use this if you want to build in chatbots and things like that. This is another one if you are into lifelike speeches. This is like NLTK, and analytics if you want a Redshift. This is for data warehousing. It's for 2 month free trial. Again, this is a free trial. That means it will not be for 1 year or for your lifetime. Then here this is Amazon recognition. This is deep learning. So again, now you can see that this is based on deep learning. Some are based on NLTK, some are based on chatbots. So these are various fields of data science which they are dealing with. Again, you can come on to second, and you see here that SageMaker Grounded. This is very popular, and that's why they have kept it for a short-term free trial. What happens here? You can use the data set, you can train your data set, and just train it, test it, optimize it on the cloud. And this saves a lot of processing time, because once you go for hyperparameter tuning of your project, of your model, it consumes a lot of time. It just happens that it stops in between, and it's like it's been very difficult to obtain the output of it. So if you're doing it on cloud, it will be providing you with good results and good efficiency and also fast output. So you can go ahead with this. Even you can train your deep neural networks on this. This will be quick and easy, and would be not so much time consuming and processor efficient. So you can also see this augmented AI data pipelines if you want. And this is about machine learning. If you want to go into quantum technologies, robotics, media service management, so every depending on the domain, you've got various free packages, and you can choose as per whatever you want. How do you choose it? You have to complete sign up. You sign up a page like this, you can enter your details, and you can create an account. Okay, so this was about Amazon. Next we come to Microsoft Azure. Both are almost similar, but what I felt was after exploring the sites that Amazon is offering more free services because it has expanded like anything as compared to Azure and Google. They are catching up the race, but Amazon has really outmarketed them. And when you come to this page like Azure free services, and again I have typed for machine learning, so I get the services for machine learning, and they are telling me that what do I get in this. So they have a different look and feel of their website page. Here they're saying that there's just a 12-month popular free service and some credits would be given to you, and 25 plus services are always free. That's what they say. And what do you do with the accounts? You can just see what you can do. Machine learning. So I'm interested more in machine learning. So I will see what all they offer from my machine learning this thing. So here you can see that AI and machine learning, there are 5,000 transactions that I can do in here, and I can see the full list of the products they offer. Custom vision, content moderator, and so on, face recognition. So if you want more details, click on it, and they will just provide you with more details of it. But for 1 year, these are free. You can use it once you get a hack of it. And these are the products which are always free as offered by Microsoft Azure. And this is like for your app service, for your Cosmos DB, for your batch functions, event grids, and whatnot. So this was Azure in the website. Everything is available depending on the domain you want. The products, as you can see here again, the developers, compute, blockchain, analytics. If you go and you click on the services, you will find their page and relevant solutions and training. Okay, we come to now Google Cloud. Now this in Google Cloud, what you do is again now in products, you can see their products, and again this is again almost the same, but the different keywords that they have used. Again, they have got data analytics, they have got AI and machine learning. According to your domain, you choose that service, that product. So again, I go for AI and machine learning, and you see here that you've got, okay, I go for AI and machine learning, and here you see speech to text, vision AI. So there are different domains again in AI and machine learning which you want to use the service. So suppose I want to go for text to speech, and I want to try it for free if I'm working on some model like text to speech. So what they do is that they give you a way as to figure out how does it really work. So you can put a text here. This is a text. You can just type anything. Hello, I hope all is fine. And you can write an emoji. So I don't know why. And I am not a robot. I just write this. And
Hello, I hope
let's see.
all
I'll
is fine.
try whether
Smiley face.
this will work or not. So just
Hello,
replay
I hope
this.
all is fine.
I don't know whether you
Smiley
can hear
face.
it. I just want to show you one more thing, that there are various languages which make it more robust. You can see yes, Spanish, Portugal, Denmark, English, in different Australian and Indian, Great Britain, US. You can see Italian, Turkey, every country, like most of the countries have been covered here. You can see Hindi. They will not speak it in Hindi, but they will speak it in our accent, Indian accent. Hello, hi, I hope all is fine. And if you want to say it in Gujarati, just try it out. It is very interesting. And the girl will speak up in Gujarati language. And if I just do it in Bengali, it will say in Bengali. You've got all the South Indian languages, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, and Malayalam here. You've got Chinese, Korean, Japanese, and whatnot. So when you see this, you can raise the pitch also. This will be very distorted voice. This will be very high, and so just keep it on like 0. It would be fine. And the speed you can increase or decrease. You can play around with this and see how it works. So this is really a good feature, and what they have done is they have used this deep minds research. This is the research of deep minds, and they have trained this thing of speech recognition to make things more easy for us. So just discover and explore things for yourself. This is a wide range that they are offering these services for free. I'll speak it. Let's see.
Hello,
I
I
don't
hope
know whether
all
you
is
can hear
fine.
it or not, but
Smiley
I cannot
face.
hear it. Okay. So this was I'm not registering it because it is having all my details. It is just asking me to register. So you can see the products again, and according to your need you can decide which data provide service provider is good. Almost everybody is like these three are the big names, big shots, so you can trust them and you can use them. AWS or Azure or Google. Google we all use, and this Azure, although AWS is giving you very wide, vast variety, more choices, and also more products, more services. So you can opt for this and see for yourself what suits you. So this was it for this video, and in the next coming up video we'll talk about big data certification and its job career prospectus in India. So stay tuned and thanks for watching.